Hello, my name is Heather Swan, and I'm a CPA here at Sullivan and Grantham. And I'm going to be starting a little mini series on some of the accounting basics I use on a day to day and some basics that business owners also use on a day to day and may not even realize that they do. To start out with, I'm going to be talking about the accounting equation. The accounting equation is what every accounting system, every financial statement, and every bookkeeping entry is built on in one simple formula. It is the foundation of accounting. The accounting equation is simply assets equal liabilities plus equity. And this equation must always stay balanced. And that's why accounting is often called the balance of a business. So let's break down each of those parts by themselves. Assets are things that the business owns or controls that has value. Examples include cash, bank accounts, equipment, vehicles, inventory, and accounts receivable. Simply put, assets are the resources a business uses to operate. Liabilities are what the business owes to others. So, for example, loans and credit cards and accounts payables and taxes owed. Liabilities represents the business's obligations. And often these liabilities are what is used to also own the assets. For example, if you buy a car, that is an asset to your business, but you'll probably have a loan on it in order to pay that car off. So you have an asset and a liability. Equity represents the owner's claims on the business. It's what's left after subtracting the liabilities from your assets. In other words, equity equals assets minus liabilities. Think of equity as the owner's share of the business or the value of the business. Imagine when you start a business and you deposit $10,000 of your own money into the business bank account. What happens? The business now has $10,000 cash, which is an asset, and you also have $10,000 worth of owner's equity in that business. So going back to our accounting equation, we have assets, $10,000 equals a liability $0 because we don't have any liabilities yet, and our equity is $10,000 because that's our own equity that we put into it. So 10,000 equals 0 plus 10,000, and the accounting equation balances. To add on to the example of whenever you put $10,000 into the bank when you first open a business, let's say you take out a $5,000 loan from the bank for operation cost. So your cash or your assets increase by this $5,000, but you also owe the bank that $5,000, so your liabilities are going to increase by $5,000 also. So now our assets are the original 10,000 plus the 5,000 that we got from the bank, which equals 15,000, equals our liabilities of 5,000 and our owner equity of 10,000. Still balanced. Next, the business buys equipment for $2,000 using cash. So what changes? Our cash decreases by that $2,000, which is an asset. So we're decreasing assets by $2,000, but we bought equipment, so we're increasing that asset account or our assets right back by $2,000. So it's a net zero effect on the accounting equation because we're taking $2,000 out of the assets, but we're then increasing assets by $2,000 by the value of the equipment. Now let's say the business earns $1,000 from a customer. Cash and our assets increase by $1,000. Revenue also increases by $1,000, which then flows through owner's equity through profit. So our equity increases by $1,000 also. Again, our accounting equation is in balance. The accounting equation is the reason why accountants can trust financial records. Every transaction must keep the equation balanced. If the equation doesn't balance, there's likely an error somewhere in the accounting records, and then we have to go find it and fix it. The balance sheet is a great way to see a direct presentation of the accounting equation. On one side or the top, you will have the assets. On the other side or the bottom, you will have liabilities plus equity. And these sums must equal each other in order for the accounting equation to be equal. Another easy way to remember this is everything a business owns has to come from somewhere, whether it's borrowing money from others or investing money from owners or profits earned, which creates equity. Therefore, assets equal liability plus equity. To recap, assets are what the business owns, liabilities are what the business owes, and equity is the owner's claim on the business. The accounting equation again is assets equal liabilities plus equity, and every transaction affects this equation in one way or another, and the equation must stay balanced. Hopefully that explained to you why the accounting equation is much more than just a formula, and it's the backbone of accounting. Once you understand the accounting equation and assets and liabilities and equity and how they all work together, accounting becomes much easier. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.